show you the secure step-by-step method to transfer money between Cash App accounts. We will look at how to double-check a recipient's identity, how to dodge the hidden 3% credit card processing fee, and the maximum limits for unverified accounts. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Sending money from Cash App to Cash App looks like a simple 2-click process. But if you type a single character wrong or blindly search a common name, your cash instantly goes to a total stranger, and because peer-to-peer transfers are permanent, Cash App cannot force them to give it back. First, unlock your phone and open Cash App. By default, the app opens directly to the green keypad screen. If you are on a different page, tap the Payments tab in the bottom center of your navigation menu, which is represented by a large $sign, where you input all transactional amounts. Type the exact dollar amount you want to send using the on-screen keypad. Look at the very top of the screen to check your funding source. The funding source is the specific bank account, card, or digital wallet balance that Cash App will pull the money from to pay for this transaction. Sending money directly from your Cash App balance or a linked debit card is 100% free. However, if you choose to send money using a linked credit card, Cash App automatically tacks on a 3% processing fee, meaning a $100 transfer will actually cost you $103. To change this option to your free balance or debit card if needed, tap the source at the top. Once your amount and funding source are set, tap the green Pay Air button in the bottom right corner. Now you are on the recipient screen. In the top bar marked to, you can type in your friend's name, phone number, email, or unique cashtag. A cashtag is a unique, customizable username that acts as a secure digital address for a specific Cash App account. Avoid searching by a person's real legal name, as thousands of users share identical names. Always ask your friend for their exact cashtag to filter out copycats. When you type the cashtag, a mini profile display card will appear directly underneath the search bar. This display card acts as a visual ID badge showing the user's profile avatar picture and full legal name. Stop and visually verify that this photo and name match your target friend before tapping it. In the for the box right below their name, type a brief note or add an emoji, like dinner or rent. The for the box is a memo line that labels the payment so both accounts have a clear ledger record of why the money was sent. Confirm the transaction using your phone's Face ID, Touch ID, or your personal 4-digit cash PIN. The money transfers instantly. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our Cash App video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.